Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to start lesson number 5, multiplication. This thing I will explain you with one example. Suppose you are having 5 boxes and in each box there are 25 apples. So, how many apple do you have? What do you do? In 5 boxes, they are saying there are 25 apples. Clear? Means how many boxes you are having? 5. In each, how many apples are there? 25. What do? One way is that you have to add them. Clear? 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. Answer come 125. Clear? Second way is that how many apples are there? 25. And how many boxes are there? 5. So if you multiply it directly, what will answer come? 25. 125 means in both the cases answer is same, but this is a time consuming process and this is a easy way of finding the answer. And what do you get it from this thing? We get that multiplication is a repeated addition. Clear? Instead of doing addition again and again, what we have done, we count the number of boxes and multiply with the number. Clear? And these biggest number, what do you know what we call? We call them multiplicand. See, they are also called factors also, means 5 and 25 are the factor and the answer is called product. One more thing we call it, that is multiplicand. So these are the important points, students, which you have to write in the maths copy. Firstly, you mention lesson 5 multiplication, then important points. Then first point, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand, means biggest number we call multiplicand. The numbers that tell how many times, means times, this multiply sign tell us how many times you have to multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. Clear? So the number that tells how many times a multiplicand should be multiplied is called multiplier. And the answer of multiplication is called product. And this example you have to write along with it in the maths copy. Clear? Now we do activity 1. That one also we do in the copy, but question 1 and 2 we do in the book only. So this question 1 we do in the book only. It's very easy. 4 5s are 20. So 0 will come here. 2 will go on 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 and 2 is 14. So 1 will go again on 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 540. Now next one. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 1 go on 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Clear? Now next one. 2 7s are 14. 1 go on 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now we do D part. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, it comes 13. 1 go on 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now E part. 2 6s are 12. 1 go on 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 1 go on 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 3s are 6. This is the answer. And you have to do question 1 in the book. Now we do question number 2. That one question also we do in the book only. Question number 2 is filling the blanks. 725. If I multiply by 1, what I get? 725. 245 multiply by which number you get? 0. You have to multiply by 0 only. Then in the left hand side there are two numbers, 425 into 1375. So in other side it is a order property. Which number not here? That is 425. So you write 425. Now in D part it is same like C part only. Dash multiply by 1000 and in the right hand side 1000 into 999. So which number is not here? 999. Clear? So this is the answer which you have to do in the book only. Now student, we do question number 3. And question number 3 you have to do in the copy. Firstly, you write question 3, find the product, then you do A part. A part, there is written 59. You write 5, 9. Then 33 you write down, then multiply it. Firstly, we do with 3. 3 nines are 27. 2 will come up. 2, 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now same number we copy down, 7, 7, 1. So answer will be 7, 4, 1 go up as a carry, 9, 1. So this is the answer. Clear? Now we do B part. 1, 2, 3, 5. You have to multiply by 7 only. Clear? 7 5s are 35. 3 will go on 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 4. Then 7 2s are 14. 14, 15, 16. So answer will come 6 here and 1 go up. 7 1s are 7 plus 1. Answer is 8, 6, 4, 5. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 you have to write like this manner in the copy. A shopkeeper ... But listen how we write the statement. There's a rupees sign. You can write the statement like this manner also. Money spent on one pot. A pot means one pot. There's a shopkeeper who sell a pot for rupees 1335. Means cost of one pot is rupees 1335. You have to tell the cost of 4 pots. So you write cost of one pot is rupees 1335. Cost of 4 pots 1335 into 4. You have to multiply them with 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. It will be 13. 1 up. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. So answer will be rupee sign will be right. You have to write the rupee sign in the starting and answer will be 5340. Clear? Now we do question 5. There's a DVD cost is given. So you write cost of a means one DVD is rupees 399. You have to find the total cost of 25 DVDs. You write cost of 25 DVDs, then 399 you have to multiply by 25. So firstly we do with 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 go on 9. 5 9s are 45. Then again 4 go on 3 and 9 you will write because 45 plus 4 is 49. 5 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now you have to add. 5 will come as it is. 9 plus 8. It will be 17. 1 go on 9. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 9. 1 go on 7. 7 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 9. So your answer is rupees 9975. This will be the answer. Clear? Now we will understand properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication is already given in your book on page number 51 and you have to underline all the properties. Multiplication property of 1. What it said. When a number is multiplied by 1, if you multiply any number by 1, what do you get? Number itself. In 4156, if you multiply by 1, answer will be 4156 only. Then second, multiplicative property of 0 means if you multiply any number by 0, what do you get? You get 0 only. Then order property, you know, there should be 2 number in the left and same number will be in right, but the position is changed. So if you change the order of a number, means position if you change, answer will come same. For example, if you do 17 6 or 6 17s, answer will come same. This is called order property. In order property, you always have 2 numbers. And in grouping property, you have done in the subtraction chapter also, there should be a 3 number. but only the group you change, but the answer will come same. Like there are three numbers 10, 7 and 6. Firstly I multiply 10 and 7, what answer come? Then I multiply with 6. Second time I made the group of 7 and 6, what the answer come? With that I multiply 10. In all the cases answers are same. So this property is called grouping property and it is having three numbers. Last one is a distributive property over addition. Distributive property means you have to multiply each number with the number which is present in a group, with every number which is present in a group. Like 15, I will multiply by 2 also, then 40 also. What the answer come? Add them. That is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. Clear? Now on the behalf of this property we do activity 2, question 1. Question 1 is, if I multiply 185 by 1, what answer come? 185 only. By which number I will multiply 1 to get 270? 270 only. If I multiply 185 by 0, what answer come? 0 only. And 628, if I multiply by 0, I get 0 only. Now see, in E part, there are two numbers in the left. So this is called order property. So which number is not here? In the right, 928. Now F part, again it is same like that. Which number is not there? 928. Clear? In both the case, answer is 928. G part, there are three numbers in the left. 138, 413 and 644. So which number is not in the right? That is 413. Clear? In H part, 427, you have to multiply by 25 plus. Which number is not here? 68. You have to check which number is not in the left hand side and it is present in right hand side. That one number should you have to write. Clear? So I hope you understand how to do multiply. What is the multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition, and for that you have done three terms: multiplicand and the product. Multiplicand, the number to be multiplied. Multiplier, how many times you have to multiply the multiplicand. Clear? And the answer of it is called product. On the behalf of that, we have done activity 1 and we done properties also. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.